Nokia T20, a super budget tablet for the family. With the Nokia T20, you can easily take care of your kids using the handy kid-friendly and entertainment-focused modes. It's not great for students or productivity users, as you can't use a stylus or a keyboard and stock Android isn't made for work uses, but that doesn't seem to be the market HMD Global is targeting. Huawei, Xiaomi and Realme are all rushing to release Android tablets by the end of 2020, and now HMD Global, which owns Nokia, is doing the same. Nokia's T20 is an affordable Android device. That's how HMD does things, after all, at a price that seriously undercuts most other slates. Amazon's Fire devices are the cheapest, but they're locked to Fire OS, so they're not as flexible. If you're looking for a university or business tool, don't buy this. The tablet isn't very powerful, and there's no stylus or keyboard folio accessory. We haven't had enough time with the Nokia T20 to give it a proper review, but we've given it our initial impressions. One version has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, the other has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Only the latter is going on sale in the UK, where it'll cost £179, about $240, about $330 for a Wi-Fi only tablet, or £199, about $270, about $370 for a 4G model. There aren't that many tablets with screens that big anymore, with the new iPad 2021, Realme Pad, Huawei Mate Pad 11 and Xiaomi Pad 5 all boasting screens under an inch. Streaming or browsing social media is a good example of how the tablet benefited from the high resolution. However, the maximum brightness is pretty low, so the screen can appear pretty dim in certain situations. One cool feature here is a 3.5mm headphone jack, as not all modern tablets have one. This is great for people who like wired audio, because then you don't need an adapter, or you can listen and charge at the same time. There's an 8MP camera on the back of the Nokia T20, and a 5MP one on the front. Neither will take great pictures. This cheap tablet isn't made for taking photos, but it'll be okay for video chatting. HMD Global says the Nokia T20 tablet will last for 15 hours of normal use, or 10 hours of watching video. We'll be sure to test HMD Global's claims in our full review. Only 15 watts can charge the slate, or 10 watts if you use the box cable, which is even slower. That means it will take several hours to charge completely. In the Nokia T20, the brains are the Unisoc T610, which is a low-end processor. In a quick benchmark test, it scored low, and the tablet didn't feel particularly snappy. That is fine for an entertainment device. You do not require top internals to stream video or play low-end games, so unless you intend to play top-end titles or edit videos, for instance, you will not experience any problems with the chipset. It comes with 3GB or 4GB of RAM, as well as 4G connectivity if you choose that model. We tried the 3GB model, which won't be in the UK, and it's likely the 4GB version is smoother. People may appreciate some of the software features, though. First is Kid Space, which turns the tablet into a kid-oriented device. YouTube only shows kids' videos, and there are lots of apps and games on the home screen. You can also track what they're doing with the device. From here you can search for movies, TV shows, books, games, and more, and it's Google's way of making Android tablets more suitable as entertainment devices. Neither of these Google-built modes is exclusive to the Nokia T20, but it's one of the cheapest slates to offer them. It's Google's way of making Android tablets more like entertainment devices. Neither of these Google-built modes is exclusive to the Nokia T20, but it's one of the cheapest slates to offer them.